So pag mag-pay back na ka, atong 5,000, talaga siya 7% in a year. If mag-go man na siya, then mag-add na siya another for another year. So next. So this is the formula in taking the simple interest. So I is equal to PRT, where I is equal to interest, P is equal to principal amount, R is equal to rate of interest, and T is equal to time in years. So this formula can be used to derive other formula kung whatever is needed. So for example, gamitin natin siya na triangle to easily get a formula. There. So if formula niya is I is equal to PRT, interest ang pinapangita. Then if principal amount ang ito ang pinapangita, atong formula would be T is equal to I over RT or interest over rate of interest and time. Then if rate of interest naman ang needed, then the formula would be I over principal amount multiplied by time. Then lastly, if time interest ang needed, then formula would be I over principal amount multiplied by rate of interest. So next, these are the sample problems that we will use to practice with this formula in finding interest. So this is the deterministic of interest. So ang formula natin dito is I is equal to or T or ang main formula din yan. So with that, ano yung formula? I-identify na ito what are the given. So we have here is the principal amount, the rate of interest, and then the time. So we substitute na here given. So first is our principal amount is 450. So 450 times multiplied by 7%. And then multiplied by 2, which is the time. So with that, ito natin sa calculator. And answer here is 63. So the same with example. Again, that's number 2. Then number 2, again, substitute lang ako. Even. Diba, 5,100. Then 4% rate of interest. 4 fees. So ang natira is 624. So for number 3 again, substitute ng the even numbers. Then 5% rate of interest or 6. So ang interest natin there is 690. Again, number 4, substitute. The even. 4 for use. Then we have 756. So lastly, number 5. Substitute for 5 years. Then after that, the year is 1,320. So may natin natin calculation na press side or whatever side ang gamit sa problem. So that's our here. So next result is finding principal amount. So using this triangle again, magamit natin PIRT na variables. So since kanya pinapakita, pasawag na niya ang formula, which is principal amount is equal to rate of investment multiplied by time. So first problem. The sum of money invested as 5% simple interest. So we have here sum of money then the answer would be this. So for number 2, a sum of money invested at 12% simple interest. So we need to substitute the event again. Per annum amounts to 20,710 and 50 cents in 3 years. So what was the initial deposit? Again, so ang additional event nasa baba, then i-divide natin sila. Then answer will be 63,084.72. So next, number 3, how much principal was invested? Earned 504 pesos in 8 years at an interest rate of 7%. So again, we need to substitute the event, which is 704, and the interest in 8 years. And the rate of interest is 7%. So with that, answer now is 900 pesos. So next, number 4. How much principal was invested to earn 100 pesos in 5 years? Again, substitute 100 pesos in 5 years at an interest of 4%. So with that, our answer here is 500 pesos as the principal amount. And then lastly, is how much principal was invested to earn 1,200 in 2 years. So again, the question 5 is how much principal was invested to earn 1,200 in 2 years time at the interest rate of 3%. So again, it's how much let's look at this in your calculator. Then the answer for that is 20,000 pesos. So again, we have no answers. Then next is to determine the rate of interest. So rate of interest is again represented by letter R. Therefore, our formula for that would be this. I is equal to principal amount over I over principal amount multiplied by time. So for number 1, at what interest rate per annum will 8,400 yield 2,570 as simple interest in 6 years. So substitute na to, the simple interest which is 2,520 or principal amount which is 8,400 and the time which is 6 years. So to answer that again, you put this in your calculator and then our answer for that would be 5%. So 5% is not the whole one per year. So next is the interest rate per annum will 1,800. So again, still substitute the even. Yield of 4 as simple interest. Within 2 years. So let's multiply that again. And the answer will be 4% per year. Number 3, what rate was an invested rate that takes 60 pesos on 500, so these are simple interest. 500 is our simple amount for over 2 years. So by solving that again, we can get 6%. Number 4, the cost of a loan for 900 pesos over 1 year is 72 pesos. So again, substitute the even numbers for over 1 year. Right. So with that, our answer would be 8%. So on the last number, 5, the cost of the loan for 750 over 2 years is 125. So what was the rate of the loan? So again, insert or substitute the even. So our simple interest is 125. Principal amount 750 for over 2 years. So with that, our answer is 8.13%. So pwede siya answers na ito. Again. So sa last na ta, we have here our time. So since ang pamangita natin is time, Our formula would be this for I over principal rate multiplied by rate of interest. So number one, Jim invested at 4,000 in a bond at a yearly rate of 4.5%. He earned 540 in interest. So how long was the money invested? So again, still substitute the given amount with the formula. So our simple interest is 540. Principal amount of 4,000 and our yearly rate of 4.5%. So again, input in the calculator. And our answer for that would be 3 years. So number 2, 400 pesos interest is earned on the principal of 1,000. So again, 400 interest is earned on the principal of 1,000 at a simple interest rate of 5% per year. So again, input that sa calculator, then you'll get 4 years. So number 3, in how many years will 1,200, that is our principal amount, give an interest of 180, 80% interest rate of interest. So input this and then we'll get 5 years. So for the next problem, how long will it take for the sum of 7,300 invested at a rate of 4%? Simple interest per annum wage 8,468. So in this problem, we have the overall amount and then the interest na. So to solve para sa simple interest, imagine na overall amount is this 8,468. Put the principal amount which is 7,300. So with that, we can get 1,168 which is money our interest. So if you put that in your calculator, then we'll get 4 years. Then number 5 plus, how long will it take for example 4,550 invested at a rate of, so 4,550 is our total amount, invested at a rate of 7% per annum to reach 5,550. So again, same as problem number 4, the overall amount is 5,505.50. I-match na siya the principal amount, and we'll get and look at 955.50. So again, turn that is input that number calculator and we'll get 3 years. So next. So these are the answers here. And that will be all for the recording for the simple interest